Okay, sa araw na ito, nag-umpisa na po yung feeding activities natin dito sa Cabuluan Elementary School. And may mga parents dito na sila ang nag-prepare nitong feeds na ibibigay natin dito sa mga considered malnourished na learners dito sa paaralan natin, no? So I repeat, we started today. Ma'am Jem, ilang months ito?
2 months and 5 days.
Okay, the feeding services that shall be offered sa ating mga learners will be good for 2 months and 5 days. Depende sa availability na ng supply natin. So, we have enough supply. Si ma'am
3 months.
3 months.
Complete namin 2 months hanggang 5 days lang.
Okay, so 2 months and 5 days ang makakaya ng supply natin. Okay, so here are yung mga learners natin from Cabuluan Elementary School na availing of this feeding services for nutritional improvement, ano? Sa pamamagitan din po nito, pag na-improve natin yung physical health ng ating mga learners, probably they can also improve in their academic performances. At we are nagpapasalamat tayo dito sa mga parents who are very much willing to help us in providing this nutritious feeding materials para sa ating mga learners. Ilan lahat, Ma'am Jem, yung recipients natin? 48 learners qualified to receive these nutritional feeding activities. Okay? And this started this 14 ba ngayon? Ang date? 14th day of the month of September, year 2010.